How do you like my new hat, darlings? It's the new pilated woodpecker bird hat. Rest assured that no pilated woodpeckers was hurt making this hat. But I thought this outfit needed a little pepping up. I don't like to leave my house until everything is perfect. And that, of course, means my makeup and clothes too. And I've been needing a new hat. So, this is it. At least for now. I will be taking it out to the Vera sphere the next time we go out. I think it's very smart. And after all, I'm very smart. So it makes sense that I would want a hat like this. I'm off to show Michael. Oh Michael, where are you? I don't understand it. He's not here. Now where can he be? Michael, come look at my new hat.